take a look to some basic Python code and learn how to run it. This is a perfect beginner who are just starting out with Python. Now, let's type in our code. This code defines a name and age, then print them. Name Alice. This line creates a variable called name and assign that string Alice to it. Age 25. Here I create a variable age and assign the integer value 25. Print name, name age, age. This line print the string name, then the value of the name variables, then the string age, and finally the value of the age variable. Python print function can take multiple arguments which will be print